Downtime doesn't wait. Not on a mine site, not on the N3, not on a production line. FleetFabric is South Africa's cloud-based CMMS, built for mining, logistics, and manufacturing fleets that can't afford to stop. Automated preventative maintenance, digital job cards, real-time fleet dashboards, fuel and cost control, all in one platform. From the Bushveld to the ports of Durban and Cape Town, across Africa's busiest depots and plants, FleetFabric keeps assets running and costs down. ISO 27001 and 9001 certified. One system, every site, anywhere on the continent. Start your free 15-day trial today. FleetFabric, stop reacting, start preventing.